Great evening, fellow traders. This is Austin. It is Thursday, April 13th. Markets are closed, and they're closed for the long holiday weekend. They reopen on Monday. Might be a little bit thin volume as whatever human traders are left in the markets come back from family vacations and all that. There's a fair amount of volatility this week. The markets are picking up, at least stock markets are. Crude oil remained in its no-range coma zone. No need to pull the symbol up there. If you're familiar with crude oil, you know that it was another micro-range session. And if you don't care about crude oil, it really doesn't matter. So in either case, we're looking at the S&P. And I got another email yesterday, actually. I didn't intend to do a video today, but I got an email and I was giving it some thought, and so I'll share those thoughts with you. And in essence, it was in response to my prior videos where I said, trading is simple. If you just break it down to its simplistic forms, and you have statistical odds of probability in your favor, and you're patient, and you're not greedy, and you're looking for small gains once or twice a day and done, and those type of things, you'll prevail. And this email was sort of to the effect of, the moral of the story is the author of the email, amongst other things, was saying that the CM roadmap process is hindsight. While you put those lines on, and in hindsight it looks good, and whatever. Okay, so now let's not use hindsight. Let's walk through what would be the daily occurrence in today's case. And here it is. We have one bar into this morning. This would be 9:35 a.m. There is the opening bar. Okay, and that's all the information we have. You, me, and every other S&P 500 trader under God's green earth. All right? On God's green earth, I should say, not under it. Them too. So here we are. It's 9:35, and we hit F8, Control F8, or Command F8, keystroke, and we do that. Now we have plotted the CM roadmaps, which, as you know by now, if you've been around for any number of years, you've seen this hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of times. This is the intraday profile of all financial markets. Okay? Open range roadmaps. Bar by bar. Next, that was too many bars. Took the surprise right out of it. Okay, so here's the next two bars. Now, this is a bullish bias. This is not a buy signal. Okay, none of this is a buy signal. This is simply a bullish bias. I will say there were long signals and there were short signals today. There were several trades that would have worked for our prerequisite 2+ points or whatever you're chasing. So that is in the bullish zone. We're looking for long signals, and whether you got a long signal or not from your method of trading, that's what we were looking for. Now from here to here, this is 90+% probable to occur on any given day, and it did. Close enough. Okay, so from here to there, if you happen to catch a couple of points there, your day could be done if you wanted it to be. I'm not going to talk about me or what I did here at all today. I'm going to talk about you and your potential. And so there was the actual fulfillment. Now, here's something that's interesting with the S&P. It will commonly almost hit a zone and then back right off. And these are the algos that are fading the algos, and this is just a big computer war here. And then they go up on the second mouse. The second attempt goes up and fulfills it about to the tick. Okay? And then what? Almost to the exact freaking tick is the top of the market to your CM roadmap 233%, 90% probable to be hit. And then they wedge them up and they kick them back down. And by the way, there were sell signals in here, and there was yet another trade to be taken. And so then they react to the open range. Can you see how they react to the open range? And then they close back down through, and then they roll down through. And they, prior support is now resistance. Almost hit the 233 on the opposite side, back to the open range. They hit it and holds and reacts to the exact freaking tick. And then they take them up and down to the CM roadmap number 1, which is 60+% probable to be hit, about 65% probability. Holds almost to the exact tick. And that's the day. These are statistical probabilities. When you're looking long here, After they fulfill this, you're looking short from here to here. After they do this, you're looking short from here to here and from here to here, because this is the intraday profile of all markets. That's how it trades. But you know what? There's absolutely nothing at all that's hindsight about this. This is a forward projecting price tool from the first 5-minute bar of the pit session to the closing bell. Forward projecting, not hindsight. I've shown this so many times now, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of times in videos and live workshops and blog posts and all kinds of things. It's just predictable to a mathematical fault, statistical probability. If you know these things, if you understand our method of trading, you can see right now the setups, and there were a number of trades today that had high profit potential, high odds profit potential. If you were part of our operation here, you could have profited wildly from today and yesterday and the day before and the day before that. Okay, if you're not part of the program, well, whatever I say really doesn't matter, because why would it? Trading is not entertainment. It's not a sport. It's not a pipe dream. I hope it's not, somebody just holding out hope that someday maybe they'll do something. I mean, trading is a profession that either you do or you don't. Either you do or you do not, right? And if you're actively doing it, I hope you're doing it with success and with, skill and with knowledge and with something that works. And if you would like to be, we have room on board. I'm going back to just individual mentorship training starting next Monday, and I'm going to stay there for the rest of my career. So if somebody wants to be part of the program that we currently have going now for the terms that are available now, you'll want to hit the website and register before Monday, because when Monday comes, well, that would be fine too. If you want to be a one-on-one mentored client, that would be great. Either way, just letting you know. Hope this helps. Looking forward to visiting with you again. Happy Easter. Have a great one.